you're gripped by sudden, intense irritability. And seconds later, you feel a surge of ecstatic energy. Your brain is developing a new, urgent requirement for isolation and independence, often leading to friction with the people you live with. Outside your room, social dynamics carry a new, magnifying weight. Digital interactions and the threat of cyberbullying trigger levels of anxiety that didn't exist a few years ago. These experiences define adolescence, a specific transition phase occurring between the ages of 10 and 19. During this window, your body begins a total biological restructuring to prepare for adulthood. Viewing these years as a necessary system-wide renovation provides the perspective needed to navigate the daily chaos. The hidden control center for this entire process is the endocrine system. The endocrine system is a network of glands that produce and regulate the hormones responsible for your growth and development. These glands release hormones, specialized chemical messengers, directly into the bloodstream to trigger specific developmental milestones. These hormones function like a DJ, pushing the volume faders on your brain's emotional centers. As the chemical levels peak, they generate the intense mood swings that characterize puberty. While erratic emotions are expected, a persistent state of deep sadness or withdrawal is a different signal. In those cases, bypass your peer group and speak with a trusted adult. These chemical surges are temporary. They are the mechanisms required to build the circuitry of a mature, functional brain. Demanding privacy or questioning authority is a sign of identity formation. You are testing your own values and distinguishing yourself from your family unit. The drive to fit in with a peer group is a biological survival trait. During adolescence, your brain prioritizes social acceptance from friends as you move toward independent living. This shift creates a susceptibility to peer pressure and risk-taking. It also makes cyberbullying particularly damaging, as your system perceives social exclusion as a threat to your security. You can mitigate these vulnerabilities by consciously setting personal boundaries and building a sense of self-worth that is independent of group approval. While your biology encourages you to merge with the group, establishing these boundaries is what secures your individual identity. Puberty is a biological certainty, but you regulate the inputs that determine how your body handles the change. Specific micronutrients serve as the raw materials for this growth. Calcium and iron lock into place to solidify your elongating bones and support the development of your central nervous system. Whole, nutrient-dense foods provide the sustained energy required for this level of construction. In contrast, highly processed sugars lead to rapid neurological crashes and increased irritability. As sweat and sebaceous glands, or oil glands, become more active, daily hygiene becomes a matter of biological maintenance. Keeping the skin clear reduces the risk of bacterial infections and acne. For girls, menstrual hygiene is a standard part of reproductive health. Properly disposing of products in covered bins prevents the spread of infection, and using biodegradable options reduces the long-term waste footprint of these essential health practices. Consistent nutrition and hygiene stabilize a system undergoing rapid physical renovation. Regular physical activity serves as a chemical intervention for your mental well-being. High-intensity movement triggers the release of endorphins. Endorphins are your body's internal chemicals that reduce stress and improve your mood. These chemicals work to neutralize the anxiety and tension produced by hormonal fluctuations during puberty. Holistic practices like yoga and pranayama, or focused breathing exercises, further regulate the nervous system to improve concentration and stamina. By utilizing the tools of nutrition, hygiene, and movement, you navigate the changes of puberty with a system you understand and regulate yourself.